Want to place two buttons side by side in Elementor? I'll show you how to do it step by step. Super easy, no coding needed. But before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and click on All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit, let's say the home page, and click Edit with Elementor. Once the editor opens, find the existing button on your page, like Order Now. Click on it, then hit the pencil icon. Right-click and choose Duplicate. Now you've got two buttons, one below the other. Next, click the plus icon in the top left to add a new container. Drag it onto the page, then drag both buttons into this new container. At this point, they'll still be stacked vertically. Click on the container, go to the Layout tab, and change the direction to row. Instantly, your buttons are now side by side. To center them, use the Justify Content option and select Center. You can now customize each button. Change the text of the second one from Order Now to Contact Us. Under the link field, click on the dynamic tags icon, select Internal URL, and set it to your contact page. For styling, hop over to the Style tab and tweak the colors or add gradients. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish at the top right. Give it a quick preview to make sure everything looks and works perfectly. And that's it, two sleek buttons side by side using Elementor. So, ready to take your design skills to the next level? Elementor is my top recommendation, and you can start right now with the affiliate link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.